Sometimes the kindness that you give will travel forever and a day, flowing through the lifetime of another in a most unexpected, special way. When all you have to give is your smile, your joy can travel all over town, passing from one on to another, removing each and every little frown. When you see someone who is so sad, your kindness can go a long, long way, traveling all the way through time, just because it long ago made someone's day. Any kindness that you pass on to another, in a way you've given to the whole wide world, like the day that he gave her paint and brushes, from a time when she was just a little girl. She went on to paint her pretty pictures, and each time she felt her spirit lift. He had sensed that a talent lost inside her could grow from his simple little gift.